guys, so there's a little bird. I think it's a finch. I don't think it's a baby. It's just a finch.
It's definitely a baby.
No, it flew up there.
Look at its little down wings.
Yeah, I've seen an owl fluff that way when they're cold. Shall we see? You see that toe? There it goes.
Oh fuck. There it is it is a little finch.
It's just a little guy. Yeah, it's dark. He doesn't want to go anywhere. No. He didn't want to go anywhere, but now he sees the car lights and dink. That's that.
Where did he go?
No, I'm just kidding. He didn't get hit by the car, guys.
I didn't want him to get eaten.
Told her it wasn't a baby. She didn't want to listen. It's just, it's not a baby. And now we'll do that on my back window after a tree got cut down.
I didn't want you to move it.
And we got the owl, fed him, and he actually came back and flew in the kitchen window.
I didn't want you to make it move. I was afraid a cat was gonna get it.
It's in my messy patio right now. Got plants everywhere. Oh, while we're out here talking about that fun little bird, the pond. Yesterday we had rain and I noticed a leak in that hose. And then today Christy got up and there was a leak in that hose. So we're gonna address some hose changes when I can actually afford it. All these vacations mean I haven't been working and I'm broke. So we will definitely get to that project here shortly. Fish should be all right. For in the meantime, I'll fill it up and do what I have to do to take care of them. Maybe they'll have babies with everything off. Who knows? Definitely gonna have to get rid of the Cuban tree frog tadpoles. That's gonna be an issue. But all right, guys, enjoy. Like, subscribe. There'll be more crazy things going on in the future. There. One last view. You see my jungle coming along. My jungle. And you'll never see the dogs out here, even with the bright lights behind us. Enjoy, guys. Okay, this is number 2. Video 2. It came back. What is up with this?
Leave him alone.
There's a wasp protecting it now, too.
It was up there before. Chris, please.
Okay, I'm being told don't get close so he doesn't fly away again. So, it's
I'm not telling you next time.
kind of funny. She says she's not telling me next time, so I'm getting back up there. Alright, yeah.
Stop.
Shush.
I'm gonna
It doesn't even want to focus,
listen.
but that's cool.
Kristen Church.
Don't tell people my real name. Alright, cool little bird. We're gonna let him sleep.